Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a dryer drum baffle in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a number 2 square drive bit or a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Use the number 2 square drive bit or the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the dryer's lower access panel. Pull the panel up to remove. Next, unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the control panel. Pull the panel down to detach. Release the wires from the retaining clip and set the panel on a towel or blanket. Open the dryer door and rotate the drum so you can access the mounting screws, securing the baffle you're replacing. Use the number 2 square drive bit to unthread the 3 screws. With the screws unthreaded, you can remove the old baffle. To install the new drum baffle, align it in the drum. Then thread and tighten the 3 mounting screws. Secure the control panel wires in the retaining clip, then reposition the panel. Replace the mounting screws. Realign the access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.